Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Yahoo account permanently. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open your Chrome browser in your laptop or PC and then simply search for this Yahoo, and then you have to sign in to your Yahoo account. As you can see, I am already signed in my Chrome. You can use any browser, then simply open up a new tab and you have to search for this Yahoo termination page, and you will see this first option here, delete Yahoo account page. Just simply tap on it and then you will see this new page. You have to scroll down and simply tap on this delete my account. You have to tap on this continue my delete account, and then you will see this page here. And now you have to enter your email address and then simply tap on this yes delete the account, and after that you are good to go. And that's pretty much it. That's how to delete Yahoo account. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.